Now, I would like to say this. I would love to go 180 miles an hour in a car. Well, my car won't do 180 miles an hour because the speedometer doesn't even go that far. I don't know what it is, 140, 160 miles an hour. But to go 180 miles an hour in a car, I've got to buy a car probably starting at $65,000-$70,000, like a Dodge Hellcat for openers, 600 horsepower. But then, if I crank it up to 180 miles an hour, I run a good chance of killing myself. Tire blows out in the front, I do flips, and take out a lot of other innocent drivers with me. But if that doesn't happen, maybe I'll get a ticket. What kind of ticket do they give for doing 180 miles an hour? What, $200? $500? $1,000 ticket? So my chances of doing 180 miles an hour in a car and feeling that thrill of acceleration to get there is probably not going to happen. But wait a minute. What about when you take off in an airliner? Before they get off the ground, the airliner will hit speeds of 180 miles an hour. That means for the price of my ticket, I get a free ride on the ground accelerating to 180 miles an hour. Well, I just saved myself $65,000 to $100,000 to buy a car. So next time you fly, keep in mind that ground experience you're having as you take off. You are getting an expensive ride and you don't even have to buy the car. Let's see if she knows what it is.